Hey everybody, today at Blackjack, a lot of people ask us, why do I get a 3-pull frame machine or why do I get a 5-pull frame machine? What are my needs? And this right here is a great example of why we recommend for rebuilders and places doing hard hits that you get a 5-pull frame machine. Well, we've got our first pull right here, just a holding pull on the good side of this vehicle. As I come around to the other side, that still leaves us with 4 separate pulls to have pulling on this truck. The truck had about a 1/2 inch of diamond in the frame. It's going to get new frame horns on each side, so we're using the old frame horn to pull. But that gives me the option of got a pull coming out to the side on the lower suspension, because obviously the energy of the impact, wheel going back, puts a bend in the frame right there. So this is going to help work on that. Got one pulling out. The ball joint, that's also going to help with that same energy process. Second pull, or now we're actually 4th pull toe. Got it down there on the tow hook. And then our 5th pull, it's going to be up top, wrapped around the chain. Instead of having 3 pulls trying to just work one section at a time, we're actually able to work out all the damage at once, rather than just have to pull up here, reset, pull over here, reset. We don't have to do that. With the 5-pull option, we've got our holding pull, we've got our pull on the side, out to the side, and we still have 3 pulls right here up front. And once again, everything's independent of each other, so we can put a little energy on these valves. Give our out to the side a little here. And because we've got that holding pull on the other side of the truck, we're actually able to get all the energy we want on this side. We also only have the driver's side chained down, because with our truck saddles, when there's a diamond in the frame, you're trying to get that ladder back straight. So this side of the truck is actually floating free in our truck saddles that come with your frame machine, while the other side has 3 anchor chains on it holding it. So everything in every direction that we're pulling on, we have a counter pull or a hold in the other direction, so all the pulls are isolated. So it lets you pull harder and more concentrated than you could ever do with a 3-pull machine or any 2-post machine. So we're going to keep tugging on this one, and we'll go underneath and we'll use our tram gauge here. Since we've got full access to the bottom of the car underneath, I'll get under with the tram gauge, and we've already got some spots marked out, and we knew that we were a 1/2 inch out of square when we started. We've already been pulling on this a little bit, and we're within about 1/8 of an inch. We'll give it a little bit more, but this thing will be heading back to the body shop that it came from and on to fight another day. We'll see you guys next time.